Hello, welcome back to Entrepreneurs Rooms with me, Jackie Karunji. Now, episode today, we're going to talk about talent as a business. What talent do you have? We all have that God-given talent, something that God gave us freely, something we do so well that others can't do. You could be a writer, and you're good at writing. You could be good at public speaking. You could be even a fashion designer, like you know how to make up clothes. You could be a poet. Have you ever thought of getting that talent that God has given you and turned it into a business? For instance, I know of a friend who is so good at taking pictures with her phone, regardless of the phone you have. Okay, if it has a nice camera, of course. She's so good at it. And oftentimes I've told her, have you ever thought about doing photography as a business? Like, you're so good with a camera. Why not start up a business? And like, no, it's not something I do for fun. That thing that you normally do for fun could be your next business, could be your next breakthrough. Everyone that is in business is either in business because it's the talent or it is something they love to do. And like I said in my previous episodes, unless you love it, don't do it. Because business is not a smooth journey. It has ups and downs, just like life. But when you love something, you keep pushing, you keep going. Turn your talent into a business and watch yourself grow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.